Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Python 3.13.1, that is the latest version on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. Go to Python official website and download python.org. Click on downloads. See here we have the Python 3.13.1. It is the latest stable version. And if you want download older versions, see here we have the older versions. You can download them, okay? But recommended to download the latest one. So this version is available for Windows, Linux, Mac and others, okay? So click on download Python 3.13.1. Click on it. See, download has been started. Its size is 27 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now click on this Python 3.13.1 exe file to install. Now select this both checkboxes, that is add python.exe to path and use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Then click on customize installation. See, select all the checkboxes, that is documentation, pip and other file launcher, and okay. So click on next. See, here we have advanced options. Select the install Python 3.13 for all users and add Python to environment variables. If you want to install these three debugging tools, you can select. Otherwise, keep as it is, and this is the installation directory. If you want to change, click on browse and change the path. Okay, so click on install. See, installation has been started. It may take 1 or 2 minutes. See, installation completed. Click on close. Now go to start. Click on all applications. Scroll down, Python 3.13. Click on drop down. See, here we have the tools like idle and Python shell. Click on any one of them. See, we have installed Python 3.13.1, or go to the same folder, open idle. Click on Python idle. See, we have installed Python 3.13, or you can open cmd, then type Python. See, we have installed Python 3.13.1. Now we can run the Python commands, like if you want to print, put semicolon. Semicolon is not required. If you want sum of two numbers, print. If you want to declare variables, a equals to 100, b equals to 200, c equals to a plus b. Print c or print a plus b. Okay, this is the way to execute Python commands from the command line shell. Or if you want to create new file, then give Python commands. Same like print save the file, save it on desktop, then give. For Python files, we have to give these extensions like py, pyw and pyi. Click on save. Now click on run, then select run module. See, we got the output, whatever there here, okay. We can also execute same Python file from the command prompt also. Ctrl G to quit. Now go to desktop. Now run the Python, then give the Python file name afterschools.py. See, you got the same output, okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Python 3.13.1 on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to run the commands from the Python shell and how to execute the Python script. For more Python tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.